Hi there. Today I'm going to teach you 4 tips on how to answer multiple choice questions on the CPA test. Tip number 1, always read the question stem first. This is particularly important for questions that are really long, which have a lot of numbers, which are just complicated, which has this complicated jargon. So you want to read the question stem first so that you know exactly what to focus on when you read the long form question or the details. Tip number 2, always answer easy questions first. This is important because on the CPA test, you're always racing against the clock. And so you don't want to spend more than 90 seconds on any one question. You want to answer questions on topics that are familiar to you, that you can solve really quickly. And then you want to flag all those questions that are just difficult or on which you're spending a lot of time. You want to flag those questions and come to solve them towards the end of the test letter. All right, tip number 3, use the process of elimination. Now, this is important for questions for which you're just not sure about the answer. So you can look at the answer choices, and you should be able to eliminate one or two as just not suitable for that particular question, and that way your probability of getting the right answer overall increases if you can eliminate the some of the choices and zero it down to one or two answer choices. And so my last tip is to always make sure you answer all the questions on a CPA test. And this is important because there is no negative marking on the CPA test. So you want to make sure you're able to get to all the questions, even if you're not sure about the answer, because there's at least a 25% chance that you might get it right. So those are all my tips for the CPA test. I hope these are helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching my video.